Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to link your email to Facebook in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner or bottom right corner on some devices to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now tap on Account Center. Here, tap on Personal Details. Tap on Contact Info. Tap the Add New Contact button. Here you'll see two options. Tap on Add Email if you want to add a new one. Enter the email address you want to link to your Facebook account and tap Add Email. Facebook will send you a confirmation email. Go to your inbox and open the email from Facebook, then click on the verification link. Once you verify the email, it will be successfully linked to your Facebook account. And that's it. How to link your email to Facebook. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.